Aluminum foil fiberglass cloth tape is a high-performance insulation material, combining the strength of fiberglass with the heat-reflective properties of aluminum foil. Reinforced with adhesive, it excels in thermal insulation, fire resistance, and moisture protection. Ideal for HVAC systems, ductwork, and electrical applications. This tape is also widely used in industrial, automotive, and construction sectors. Its durability and versatility make it suit for sealing, patching, and repairing in demanding environments, where heat insulation and fireproofing are essential. Jiangxi MingYang Glass Fiber Company Limited is a aluminum foil fiberglass cloth tape manufacturer since 2001, with ISO 9001, SGS, and TUV certified. From fiberglass cloth warping, weaving to aluminum foil and fiberglass cloth lamination, adhesive coating all by themselves, including 20 sets air jet looms, 5 lamination lines, 1 adhesive coating line. Firstly, aluminum foil is laminated onto a layer of fiberglass cloth to combine properties of strength, heat resistance, and insulation. Next, an adhesive is coated onto the laminated material, providing a sticky backing for easy application.